Don't you feel like you should have known? Traveling down this road and back again, bumper to bumper, this cycle would have never reached the end. Without my dashboard, I never would have seen the light. I wouldn't have known something just wasn't right. I wouldn't have known if I was coming or going, or if it was day or night. Now I've turned right and I'm going straight, buckled in for the long haul. Without it I would have free fall, high on octane, just cruising along, stopping to speak to the locals on streets that never change, just the names. These cycles reappear that never seem to reach their end. Keep on moving along, nothing to see here. Keep your eyes on the road and one eye on your dashboard. If you count to 3, then you will see past the smoke, through all the pain. Buckle up for the long haul, 'cause we just might never do this again. Safe journey, my friend, until we meet again. Keep one eye on your dashboard so that you see the light, so that you will know if something just ain't right. Whether you're coming or going,